Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is slicing with step. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the third topic in indexing and slicing. Slicing can also be done using three integers: start, end, and step separated by a colon. Start index is where the slicing of string starts. End index is where the slicing of string ends. Slicing ends one character before the end index. Step is an optional argument that determines the increment between each index for slicing. Step must be an integer and can be a negative or positive number, but must not be 0. Default value is 1. Let's understand this with an example. Consider a string type variable named mystr is equal to Python. In this example, start index is 2, end index is 5, and step is 1. This is a default value and will work the same way as mystr2:5. In this example, start index is 2, end index is 5, and step is 2. It skips one element and gets second element from current element. So the output is TO. In this example, start index is 1, end index is 5, and step is 3. It skipped two elements and accessed the third element from current element. So the output is YO. Slicing with optional index. In this example, start index is empty, end index is 5, and step is 2. It gets alternate element. The output is PTO. In this example, start index is 0, end index is empty, and step is 3. It skips two elements from current element, so the output is PH. Let's use negative indexes. In this example, start index is empty, end index is -1, and step is 2. It starts from first element and gets alternate element. So the output is PTO. In this example, start index is -5, end index is empty, and step is 2. So the output is YHN. What if both start index and end index is empty? In this example, both start and end index is empty, and step is 3. So the output is PH. In this example, start index, end index, and step all are empty. So it gets an entire string. We can use negative step to access elements in reverse order. In case of negative step, start index must be greater than end index. In this example, start index is 4, end index is 1, and step is -1. So the output is OHT, which is in reverse order. Let's use negative indexes with negative step. In this example, start index is -3, end index is -6, and step is -1. So the output is HTY. In this example, start index is -1, end index is -6, and step is -2, and the output is NHY. Let's use optional indexes with negative step. In this example, start index is empty, end index is -5, and step is -1, so the output is NOHT. In this example, start index is -2, end index is empty, and the step is -1, so the output is OHTYP. In this example, both start and end index are empty and step is -1. So it reverses the entire string. So the output is NOHTYP. In this example, again both start and end index are empty, but step is -2. So it gets alternate character in reverse order. And the output is NHY. Let's create a string variable mystr is equal to Python. Also, let's create list and tuple variable from the string. Let's work on slicing using step parameter. In this example, step is 1. This is a default value and will work the same way as mystr of 2:5. Here the output is THO. Start index is 2, end index is 5 and step is 2. The output is TO. Here the start index is 1, end index is 5 and step is 3. So the output is YO. Now let's try with optional start and end index. Here start index is empty, end index is 5 and step is 2. So the output is PTO. Here start index is 0, end index is empty and step is 3. The output is PH. Now the start index is empty, end index is -1 and step is 2. The output is PTO. The start index is -5, end index is empty and step is 2 and the output is YHN. Let's keep the start and end index as empty and step is equal to 3. So the output is PH. In this case, start index, end index and step all are empty. So the output is the entire string Python. Let's use negative step to get elements in reverse order. Here the start index is 4, end index is equal to 1 and step is -1 and the output is OHT. Let's use negative indexes and also negative step. Start index is equal to -3 and end index is -6 and step is -1 and the output is HTY. Here start index is -1, end index is -6 and step is -2 and the output is NHY. Let's use optional index. Start index is empty and end index is -5, step is -1 and the output is NOHT. Here start index is -2, end index is empty and step is -1 and the output is OHTYP. Let's keep start and end index as empty and step is -1. So the output will be reverse of the entire string. The output is NOHTYP. Here start and end index are empty and step is -2. So the output is NHY. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.